Hi there, today we are going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to better understand how high the social costs, in other words, the social taxes are in France. For that, let's consider the gross pay of 3 employees. The first one, a blue-collar worker, receives a 1,520 euro salary, that is the minimum wage, in French, SMIC. Then comes the secretary, whose gross pay is 3,000 euros. Finally, white-collar workers, who get a 6,000 euro salary. Now, social expenses or employees tax as a percentage of the gross salary. For blue-collar workers, the rate is 11.5%, whereas for secretary, the rate is lifted to 39.75%. As for white-collar workers, the rate is 42.70%. Now the trend. Whereas for blue-collar workers, the cost remains stable from 2018 onwards, the social cost for secretary or medium-range salaries has decreased to 5%. And as for white-collar workers, the decrease is 2%. Want to know more about social taxes, social costs? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Looking forward to reading you soon. Bye then.